Alright, y'all, it's time. I've been waiting to do this review, man. Pumped, cause I've been waiting on these Bluetooth headphones built into the helmet for a minute, man. All that putting speakers inside the helmet and doing all that extra stuff, man. Ain't nobody got time for that. So I figured let's get a helmet that has it built in. And as you can see, this goddamn helmet, excuse my French, it's sexy. I mean, come on, look at that. Look at that. Can't tell me that don't look good. Let me look at my reflection in this mirror. Oh man, I don't know if I look better with the helmet on or off. No, I ain't gonna do me like that. I ain't gonna do myself like that, y'all. All right, man. Let's get out here and get this review going. I hope y'all like the new angle I got for this baby, because I had to switch it up. I'm gonna talk about a helmet and you can't even see it. So hopefully my audio works good, because I got something different on here today. All right, hold on, people. Let me get a little distance on this helmet. I hope y'all don't hear my music being picked up in the background. So y'all, it is currently Easter, man. Happy Easter, people. Happy Easter. So first thing about this helmet, let me start off by saying, as I already said earlier, it's sexy. I mean, that all black theme, unlike my Shoei helmet that has the big old white, Shoei emblem in the middle. It's not like in your face. This little Sena, it blends in, it looks good. And hey, no complaints as far as, how it looks. As far as like wind buffeting and all that stuff, no problems. Like I say, I'm coming from a Shoei and an Arai helmet, which they like to call, the cream of the crop, the creme de la creme, the ace in the hole helmets. And yeah, those helmets are nice, but this is nice as well, and it's a fraction of the price, and it comes with Sena's technology built into it. I mean, you can't really go wrong with that. So, call quality on this thing. I've called my wife a few times and then other people, and keep in mind I was in the city, so no one knew that I had the helmet on when I was talking to them. They was like, "Where are you at?" And I was like, "What you mean? You can't hear the wind and all the cars and everything in the background?" They was like, no, they had no clue that I was on a motorcycle. So as far as call quality goes, it's great. I'm gonna be honest, when I was on the highway doing about 70, 80, I don't know if it was my windscreen that I had on there, because I switched out the windscreen. I play around with different windscreens to see on the H2 which one gives me the best buffing, but I couldn't hear as well on the highway as I can like in the city, obviously due to wind resistance and all that. So the call quality is great. It's the audio that's lacking a little bit on my end, or on Sena's end, where it's just a little too quiet. Now I switched out the windscreen. I'm gonna try doing it again, but I'm gonna jump on the highway here and we'll see how she sounds with this different windscreen on that's not throwing air in my face. Here's a little clip of the previous windscreen I was using before. As you can see, that one, it comes up quite a bit. I have it looks like it's throwing it right at my face, so I'm hoping that's not the case, or it's not that the speaker or the helmet and the speaker aren't putting out the right sound. It's just that wind was throwing too much, or that windscreen was throwing too much wind at my face. So let's just hope that's what it is. But we're about to find out here in a few minutes, as soon as I jump on this highway. Woo, got a little twisty action, little twisty. Man, I need Michigan to have a little bit more twisty roads out here. Let's talk about audio real quick, because you can't talk about the Sena communicator system without talking about the actual audio. And you guys all know I love my audio from when I'm riding. And The only thing I can compare this to is the Sena 20S speakers that come stock. I feel like it's very on par with those speakers that come in those headsets. It's not bad, but it's not great either. Obviously, I'm used to listening on my other Sena with the Isis. I'm just messing with y'all. Isis has speakers inside of those. I'm used to listening to the Isis speakers inside of my Sena 20S helmet setup. So coming from that to this, it's definitely, you know, a lot lackluster as far as like the, you know, the treble, the bass. It has decent, you know, decent highs, but I mean, as far as anything in between there, it's far from none. Now I know a lot of people probably wondering, man, why didn't you go with the Sena, what is it, INC? And that's the one that blacks out all the ambient noise and all that good stuff. Man, I read a lot of reviews and online, no one said that they seem to really benefit from it. There are some people who said they benefited a lot, and then there's others who were just like, nah, man, this ain't where it's at. And then I got a really good deal on this one, so I couldn't pass it up. So I just jumped on the Lite. And as far as like just audio goes in general, I mean, it's good, it's decent, it's better than not having anything. And if you have the 20S, I mean, it's, like I say, it's on par with that. Now, my mind, the modification mind in me, who just can't leave well enough alone, is thinking, hey, what if I put, you know, those same speakers inside this helmet that I put in my Shoei helmet? Will I get the same battery life? Will it be louder? Like, I don't know. So I'm debating it, man. Y'all let me know if that's something y'all really want to see, and you know, I'll make a video and swap these speakers out, and we'll go with the big dogs. Because I mean, for a helmet that costs, what is this, $399? I mean, you can't ask for too much as far as sound quality goes when you have everything built into one. Because I mean, my Shoei helmet with the Sena helmet, I mean with the Sena communicator attached to it, that puts you almost close to, you know, $1,000, and you can get this one for a fraction of that price or half that price. So I feel like you can't go wrong. But yeah, man, check out this helmet, y'all. Check out how nice it is. I do have the tinted visor. Let's talk about the visor and the pin lock. So I have the clear and the dark shield. Neither one of them comes with the pin lock in the box, but they come pin lock ready. So I ordered 2 sets of pin locks because I'm not gonna be swapping out my pin locks. And I'm in Michigan, man. So fogging up is a real issue here, especially in those early cold mornings. Man, I took it out just one day, you know, when I got it, just to see, you know, how bad it was. And it's like somebody put a mister put a steamer inside my helmet, because it was yeah, I couldn't see nothing. I went maybe 2 or 3 minutes, and it was about 40 degrees out, by the way, and I couldn't see nothing. So I had to turn around and go back and not order the pin lock right away, because they had no blockage. I don't know if I was just running hot that day, but yeah, you definitely would want a pin lock if you're in any kind of cold weather. Now I want to touch on airflow real quick. Airflow in this helmet. It's not a lot. I mean, like I said, I'm coming from the Shoei in the Arai, and those things have vents. I mean, it vents through the cheek pads. It vents. I got vents everywhere. It's like when I want air in there, it's there, you know. So, but with this one, you got 2 vents. You got the top, and you got the bottom. And for some reason, I can't get this bottom one. Oh, there it is. And you got the bottom one. So, I mean, that's pretty much all you get. And they don't really vent very well to me. I don't know if Sena decided to go that route to help with the actual noise cancellation and quietness inside the helmet, or if, you know, they just weren't concerned about ventilation and just more concerned about audio and, you know, the communication aspect of this helmet, which I'd say they nailed. But ventilation, I mean, come on, I can't even imagine in the summer months I may have to swap helmets and go to the Shoei or Arai if it's like, you know, 90 or above, because it'll get hot real quick in this helmet. I can kind of see that. I mean, it's what, 60, 70 right now, and it's it's a little good in here right now. So it's perfect. I'm not complaining. That's the only like notch that I would give it. I haven't tried out the voice commands because, man, you guys know how the voice command is on Sena headsets. They're kind of a pain. That's a big old hole right there. They're kind of a pain in the butt, voice commands. So I haven't messed around with those too much. But yo, audio real quick. Let me see if y'all can hear this. I got the mic by my mouth, so I want to see if y'all can hear this in my helmet. Dude, see if I got any. See if y'all hear that. Hold on. Let me see if y'all can hear that. Can y'all hear that? I don't know. We'll see it on the playback. Had to get around that car real quick, man. Did I tell y'all I got my H2 flash? I don't think y'all know, man. I got an H2 flash review coming soon because this thing is ridiculous. I don't know what just happened. It's like I jumped on a whole new rocket ship. Whole new rocket ship, man. This beast is finally unleashed. But let me get back on topic. Oh, hold on, let me turn this down. I forgot the music was playing. I'm about to get flagged by YouTube. About to get straight flagged. Woo! Did I tell y'all this machine, this beast, has finally got an ECU flash and is pushing well over 200 horsepower? Let's not say well, but over 200 for sure to the rear wheel. Yep, this baby is. But yeah, audio's good, man. I'm really curious to see, you know, that the Sena Pro, the Sena Momentum Pro with the camera built into it. It seems like they've been having issues with that helmet as far as getting the camera to work on it. So they keep pushing the release date back and back. I mean, that camera has been coming soon since what, 2017? Like, and it still hasn't made it out. I don't even know if it's gonna make its debut this year or not, but hey, hopefully they do. And then I plan on getting that one just to test it out and see if the camera's worth it and see if it can replace this guy. Because if it can, then hey, we gonna be in motovlogging business, you know, because it's a pain setting up this GoPro sometimes and getting the mics to work and, you know, just get all of it. So yeah, it'd be nice to see the first integrated camera / Bluetooth helmet come out all in one. But man, it's looking like it's a long dream away. All right, so I'm about to jump on the highway here in a minute, and I'll be able to let you guys know exactly how she does. And then I'll touch on wind buffeting one more time because like I said, I do have a different screen on than before, so I'm curious to see how the wind buffeting will be. So we'll see. He said he has a need for H2 speed. Come on, why I gotta be a red light? Why I gotta be a red light though? Why we gotta have a red light? Here we go, y'all. We in motion now, y'all. So we jumping on the hallway now. We gonna see how she does. Whew. That ECU flash, boy, it just kicks now. All right. All right, so wind buffet is not bad at all. I'm doing a right check, not bad. And a left check, not bad. As far as wind noise, I do have earplugs in. I always ride with earplugs, and I mean, it sounds good. It's not overly loud and, you know, crazy quiet either, but it's doable. I can easily do, you know, 8-hour days in this kind of environment. I like it though. So yeah, man, I think I can give this a definite, you know, definite go. All right, so that was a quick little squirt on the highway. Just a little squirt. Test out that wind buffeting, and it's nice. There's very little. I've had some helmets that literally feel like your head is doing the bobblehead Harlem Shake. Head be like this when you're riding, looking crazy. But yeah, man, this is just my little review. I'm not a professional. I'm just a consumer, man, just testing out products, seeing if I like them, and if I do, I keep them. If I don't, they go back, and they go back fast. But this is one product that I actually like, and I give this one 2 muscle ups, y'all. 2 muscle ups. Definitely, it's a definite go, definite muscle up go. So, hey, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. I'm about to enjoy this beautiful day. Oh, keep in mind, I do have a video coming soon of the Ninja H2 Flash, what I think about it, you know, my impressions. I finally got some miles on this Flash, and whew, I got some stuff to tell y'all. But hey, I'm gonna say that for the next one, man, because I don't want to make these videos too long. They get beside themselves. Hey, but if you like this video, man, go hit that like button. If you didn't, hit that dislike button and check yourself. And I will catch y'all in the next video, man. Peace.